with everybody.
But think about it. That's all that. That's that pride.
Yeah.
That's what they're so proud. Even if they're from a small village in the Eastern Cape, which is another province, they will, as soon as you ask them where they're from, oh, I'm from dot. And they're happy to talk about it. They're happy to explain it to you. And as long as you're willing to listen, they will tell you. And you will just gain some knowledge. You know, me and Tasha traveled a lot. You know, we travel around this country a lot. And we meet a lot of people that are not in Johannesburg, Durban, or Cape Town. We meet a lot of people in their spaces. And they're so happy to show us around, you know, meet their moms. You know, obviously if you pop in, you got to get some food because they're going to feed you something. Just eat. It's okay. Just eat and just enjoy yourself. And then at the end of the day, you sitting around, there's a bunch of uncles sitting around, some aunties coming around bringing you food. And you're like, man, it's 8 o'clock at night. You know, it's time to go find somewhere to stay because sometimes we don't have our arrangements, but we knew we are going to be taken care of because this is South Africa and this is where our people are doing your thing. They're like, oh, okay, this is how they do it in Africa. This is how they do it in Africa. And like I said, I think we're better off. You know, we're American through and through. I know I am. You know, I'm a service member like my man here is. You know, he said he served in the military. I ain't see him, but anyway, he was.
Probably because I was deployed.
Oh yeah, you too.
Oh,
okay.
God.